Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, 8 speakers, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.